3 in every 5 people around the world use herbal medicine to boost health, says the World Health Organization. Today we try the Herbal herbal tea to see if it can lift our mood in these trying times. These are stressful times. In this series, we're trying out wellness activities to ease our nerves and relax our mind. In this episode, we're meeting herbalist Shoshana Weinberg, who has been practicing herbal medicine for more than 2 decades.
Well, welcome to my house garden.
We start at her garden in Stanley, where she grows her own herbs. As it's early spring, many of her plants are not in full bloom yet.
This is thyme, and it is an antiviral. This is 2 types of basil. You can cook with it. Over here we have an oregano, and it is also an antiviral, but it also works with parasites in the stomach. And most people, they cut their weeds, but I eat them. And what they do is go really well in salads, and you feel like you're really eating something from the earth.
Before coming, I had a consultation 1 day earlier with Shoshana so that she could prepare herbs that she says will relax my whole body. After picking a personalized blend, we start to brew the tea. It's important at this point to stress this is not something you should try at home, as getting the mixture wrong might have no benefit.
We have so many friends. Okay, this is nettle, Urtica dioica, and that's the scientific name. I drink this every single day as a tonic. It helps the entire body system to act at its optimal condition. It helps with the adrenal glands, which means that it's gonna calm you down and back you away from that fight or flight instinct.
Oh, that'll be perfect.
Yes. The next herb is marshmallow root. And if you feel it and if you kind of smell it a little bit, this is a root. And as soon as it gets wet, it gets very slimy. When you drink this internally, will slime all the way down the digestive tract. It's very good anyone with like a sore stomach, a hot stomach, or a hot digestive system.
And then I found something really fluffy.
This is mullein. This is a lung herb, and it's this long stalk with these beautiful little yellow flowers and these big, thick, furry leaves. So this is the leaf and the stem. Anyone with a lung condition, asthma, so this will help for anyone with a dry cough or a mucousy cough. This is so great for the pandemic. We have hops. This is used for one thing and one thing only, for calming. So I usually drink it after dinner. It helps to digest my food. It helps to help the liver to, power up and do the digestion, but also it helps to relax before bed. Next we have motherwort. She is good for the heart.
I see.
She's also been used a lot for the menstrual cycle, so it's a really great female herb. Let's look at this one. Okay. See if you can guess what that is.
I think I definitely have eaten it.
Yes, of course.
Food, or
this
in
is
some Cantonese restaurant.
Yes, that's exactly right. This is burdock.
Okay.
This is a root. So this is so good for the liver. So it helps the entire digestive process. So use your hand. Really feel the herbs. Yes, 1 handful.
1 handful of this. While stressing the benefits of touching and feeling the herbs, Shoshana guided me to pick the herbs together. So here is what I got.
Yes, it's a beautiful blend.
And you can smell the scent. It's
Yes.
just already very soothing now.
You would put the herb in the bottom and pour hot water. Let it sit for 4 hours. Okay, this has been sitting since 8 o'clock this morning.
We did not have to wait, as Shoshana had brewed some for me earlier in the morning.
I offer you health and well-being.
Thank you so much, Shoshana.
L'chaim, cheers.
Cheers. Actually, kind of strong, the flavor.
Yes, it's
a little bit bitter. Try to hold that bitterness in your mouth and on the tongue. Pause a moment to really feel the earthiness with grace and respect. It helps us to reconnect with the earth.
I believe that we have a huge disconnect with Earth, that we believe that her resources are to be used and manufactured. Plant medicine is knowing that the earth nourishes us. I believe that the herbs would be most useful for the anxiety that's been caused, the heartache, the isolation, the transition of change into this new world that we're living.
Hey guys, given that the time I tried it is pretty short, I didn't get to feel much difference yet, but I'm considering to take it for a longer period of time. And also there are scientific studies indicating that drinking tea can literally help our mental health and to boost our moods. So why not give it a go? Oh, by the way, here's a tip from Shoshana. If you want to try this kind of herbal tea blend, do try each herb individually before we mix them together so that we can understand how exactly each herb can interact with our bodies, and always practice it with professional practitioner. I wish you good health and I'll see you next time.